You're about to see how body cam footage exposed a police officer's lie and how that lie unraveled in court.
Let me see your let me see. I got you. Come here. I got. Get out the car now. Do it now. Hold. Oh Lord. Get out the car. Okay.
Here's the setup. The officer claimed in his official report that the driver resisted. He wrote it down as fact. But the body cam tells a different story.
I'm scared. I'm your brother. I'm scared. Get out of the car. I'm scared. Get out of the car. I'm scared. Get out of the car. Get out. I'm scared. Get out. Get out of the Get out of the car. Oh Lord. Get out of the house. I'm scared. I'm just scared. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Oh, listen to me, Chris. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Now watch closely. Every detail matters. The claim was resistance. The footage shows compliance.
I'm scared. Put your hands behind your back. Put your fucking hands. Let me see your hands. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Taser. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Look, you're about to get it again if you don't put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hey, I'm sorry. Put your hands behind your back. We done tased you too many times. We ain't tasing no more. Put your hands behind your back. Okay.
This is the heart of the case. When a report and the footage don't match, credibility collapses. Let's line them up side by side.
We need some more units over here now.
Make sure you ain't getting rolling.
Put your hands behind your back. Put them behind your back. Put them behind your back. Quit. Okay. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your back. Let me see your hand.
Notice how the report says pulled away, but the video shows open hands on the wheel. That's not a minor difference. That's the core of the accusation.
Oh, God damn it, get up here. Got it? All right.
This isn't just a small detail. False statements in a sworn report can decide whether someone faces charges or walks free.
You stupid. Blood all over. Oh, this guy ain't.
The defense attorney did exactly what you should do. They demanded the body cam under discovery rules. That's when the truth came out.
Yeah, I got blood all over. We got to go. I don't know what that means. The last time this happened, they'll check them in the hospital. Make sure they ask. You okay? Yeah, I'm good.
right, sir.
Don't you turn over.
All right.
Don't you turn over. You lay on your belly. Lay on your belly.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Lay on your
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Here's the turning point. The jury saw this exact clip, and the officer's credibility evaporated.
Did you send Captain my text?
I called him.
Okay.
Said everybody's okay. But
This is suspect. Not good.
oh really?
Yeah.
Like what you mean not good?
Like maybe 10-7.
Like right now?
He wouldn't breathe when they put him in the ambulance.
You're kidding me.
That's what you said. I don't think he's even breathing.
So call the cousin. Save all that for me. Hey, what kind of shape is he in? I mean, is he breathing?
Just have him check with him. I don't anticipate any problems, but he was a handful for 2. The 3 could barely handle it. They're leaving Watch Branch now. Thank you.
This is why video evidence is the strongest receipt in court. It doesn't rely on memory. It doesn't bend to narrative. It shows what happened.
Okay. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, Lord. Okay. Lord Jesus. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So what if this happens to you? First, stay calm on scene. Second, request the body cam in writing. That's your right. Third, preserve your own recording if you have one.
Oh, Jesus.
You understand that?
Bottom line, this case shows why body cams matter. Subscribe for more lawyer reacts with real receipts, and grab our free FOIA request template to protect yourself.